Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome. So today is Monday, February 22nd, 2022, and today we attacked NVDA. So let's just go through it really quickly. You see my account right there. It says margin account, full margin account. Once again, I'll come over here so that you can see it. If I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at my screens, so bear with me. So stock is in real time. So New York Stock Exchange, Amex, and NASDAQ, all real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time feeds. Futures and futures options, I don't trade them. So the feeds are delayed for me by 20 minutes. Forex real-time and others in real-time. So real-time account right there. So let's kind of go over NVIDIA. I drew out. What's always the first thing we do? We always draw the box, right? When we draw the box, we know what to take. NVIDIA opened out very strong. Let me see if I can drop this down a little bit for you. Now I'm not gonna do that because that'll just screw up the chart. So let's come over here. Here's the box. We drew the box out. Where did NVIDIA open? Right here. So when NVIDIA opens up very under the box, we know we're going to take a short. But if it opens up, way under the box, we know it's going to fight. And when it opens up, it's a big green candle. And you see here, I'm on a 5-minute chart right here. So on a big green candle, it's going to rip, right? So that's exactly what NVIDIA did. Pause, rip, 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 bounce back down, and rip right here again, hit a high of 240.64. So got the TTM squeeze on this time, and I'm looking at it, fires, and it rips, right? And I got my money flow oscillator as well on this one, looking at the 5 minutes. So we know money's flowing in, right? It's ratcheting up. So what did I tell my guys to do? Oops, sorry, what the hell was that? So what did I tell my guys to do? Let's send out the text alert first of all. So the text alert sent out, told my guys to get a call. So we bought the 25 February 22 250 strike call, 237, told them 30 contracts, looking for plus 30% profit. Minus 12% stop loss, and then spoiler alert, you see what happened here, how much money I made, 860 I told my guys, but I went right back in for more profit. So 948, 1002, I actually got out and got back in. So let's go over 948 and 1002. So at 948, so right here on this candle, so we had a little bit of pain to go through, which is standard, and then we just ripped right here, right? So at 10 o'clock, I told my guys that I got out, so that would be right around these candles right here, but then it was going so strong. Let's come over here and let's drop down to a 1-minute chart so that you can see it. And we'll open this up a little bit so that you can see that as well. And let's move that over here so that you can see it. You see all the support and resistance that I'm drawing out here because NVIDIA was just like crazy. So 948, tell my guys to get in. So we get in on right on this hammer right here. And then we go up, we come down, we go up, we fire, we come down. So 10 o'clock, I told my guys I was out, right around there. All right, and then this was a loss for me, all right, but I was profitable, but I got out before here. I got out right around here, Let me see. Yeah, around 9:58 I got out. Told my guys I got out at 10, but I got out around 9:58. So 9:48, and that was for like $800 or whatever because I took a big position. Then I got right back in again on this candle right here and had a little bit of a chop. Then I just held it because I knew what was going on with NVDA. NVIDIA's up and down. Right now it's trading in this box right here, and we don't want it to trade in the box, but this is the death zone. But when you have a little bit of experience, you have to look at it and you have to say to yourself, okay, I'm going to hold this. And the reason why I'm going to hold this is because sometimes you just don't look at one indicator to make your decision. So what do I have here? I got my 20, I got my 200, I got the TTM squeeze, and I got the oscillator. The oscillator was above the zero line. So when it's above the zero line, that tells me that money is flowing in, right? And it breaks here, but you see the slope, right? Right here on this slope right here, it's up. It's above the zero line. It tags it, just hovers over it. And right here, you see the break, the convergence, right? Money's coming in. And if you look at it right here, you see the TTM squeeze right here. Then you look up, you look at the candle, you see that right there. And then you have to look at the slope and the flow. And then you look at the squeeze and you look at what's going on. This is the 200 is strong. The slope of the 200 is strong right here. And then the slope of the 20, nothing breaks the 20, it hugs it, right? So from right around this point right here, right from this point, the stock, the candles, nothing breaks below the 20. It just continues to hug it. And then right here, breaks under it. But look at the candles right here. This is buying pressure. This is buying pressure. This is a sell-off. This is buying, 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 buying. And then all of a sudden the rip to right up there. Right? So you see it right there. So sometimes you have to look at 2 or 3 or 4 different spots to make sure that you understand what's actually going on with the stock, right? So, and this comes also with experience. You got to be able to take a little bit of not a hit, but you got to be able to weather the storm because of this chop, right, inside of this box. But today, that's why I have my 20, I have my 200, the hard slope of the 200. I have the oscillator telling me what's going on with actual money, where the money's coming in, where's the money going, right? And you see that all right there. So that leads me to come right back in, and we finished the day positive $2,700, right? So that's it in a nutshell for NVIDIA. So if you like that information and you like what you see and you like what I'm telling you, sometimes you have to get the experience first. So I built out, today I decided to use a confluence of indicators, not just price action, volume. And I'm looking at price action, I'm looking at volume, I'm looking at order flow, right? So we're looking at price action. This is price action, right? That's price action. I'm looking at volume, right? There's your volume. I'm looking at volume, right here, right? I'm looking at momentum. I'm looking at squeezes. You see it right there, right? And I'm looking at order flow. I'm looking at money. Where's the flow, right? So if you like that information, smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next trading session, okay? Take care, everybody. Double P over and out.